right now we're going to take it apart, change out the valves and see what is going on from there. Hey guys, what up? I got a phone call from a client about a washing machine and a fridge. The fridge is cooling, not cooling, and the washing machine has two issues. One, there's no water flowing to fill the tub, and two, on the spin cycle there's a bang that's going on there. So we're gonna take a look at it. He followed some procedures. I asked him a few questions like when last was it serviced, if there was any parts change, how long he observed any issue, stuff like that. Also asked him to send me some photos so I have an idea exactly what it is I'm working with. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the client and see exactly what is going on and see if we could assist him. Alright guys, so we're here. This is the machine. So we realized the valves are not bad. We had to change the valves. Right? One of the issues is, if you see, there's rust building up there. So that could cause the valves to go bad. So basically right now we're gonna take it apart, change out the valves and see what is going on from there. Alright? Alright guys, so this is the fridge for the client. Alright. Yeah, that's inside of it. So basically what it is happening with him is that it's cooling, but it's not cooling. So it's like a one big chiller. So we're gonna take a look at it underneath there and see what's going on. Hopefully we can sort it out. Alright. Alright guys, so this repair has a part 2 to it, meaning I have to return to the client. Right, the washing machines, it look like the springs actually is worn out. It may not be all the way gone, but it is really bad, so we definitely need to replace that. The valves, like we said, is not allowing water to flow in, so we definitely need to change that also. And one or two other little upkeeps to the machine in terms of technician service, not customer service but technician service. Once we get that done, as part of the fridge, I did a little tweaking with it to see if we could diagnose exactly what is causing it. Everything is pointing towards the fridge is needing a top up in terms of gas and stuff like that, but I'm waiting on feedback from the client to know exactly if it is that or if it's one of the components we need replacing. Alright, so thanks for watching. Remember, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Being a Trini Tech. Peace.